The given question is, we have to find integration for secant square x dx upon square root for tan square x plus 4. Now let's convert the question in the standard format. Now let tan x is equal to t differentiating with respect to x, secant square x dx is equal to dt. Now the question reduces to dt upon t square plus 2 square, t square plus 2 square. Now what the formula was, if you remember what the formula was, it was dx upon square root of square root of x square plus a square or a square plus x square, one and the same thing. So it is log mod of t plus under the root t square plus 2 square plus c, under the root t square plus 2 square. Now what we have used, integration of dx upon square root of a square plus x square is equal to log mod of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Okay. So now what is the final answer? We are having log mod of t tan x plus square root of tan square x plus 4 plus c, and this is the answer.